Guys, when I was editing this video and I found a problem that this is my music, so I wanted to extend the length of this music. So I found a solution here, so I want to give you this a gift. Go to edit in Adobe Audition, then click on the clip. So you will see your Adobe Audition will open, and then go to Multitrack, and then change the name of this Multitrack and click OK. When bring your track on the Multitrack, and then on the left hand corner find properties, and in the properties click on remix drop down, and also click on enable remix. It will take time. It is going to remix your sound, it is going to create the loop. And now what you have to do is just go back to your file and look at the duration, what is the original duration that you need, and come back to Adobe Audition, and here I have 054302. So here you go, I've got my music looped. This is a great option here that you guys can use for your music if you want to loop. So use the same strategy. This is going to save a lot of time. When your file is ready, go to File, Export to Adobe Premiere Pro, click Export, and then again click OK. Then your file is ready down there. Now it's time to delete the old file, and you can see down there your loop is ready, your music is ready. This is the little tip, and like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.